In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can copy a table from a Perplexity answer. So in this case, I have this Perplexity thread that I created, and basically the topic is just comparing Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4o, and Gemini 2.0. Now, this is the table that I want to copy to my Google Docs document. So there are many ways you can copy a table. The simplest way is really just by selecting the table using cursor, the click and then drag method, and then you can copy the content and then paste the table into whatever program that you are using. So I'm going to select this table. Let's click and then drag the cursor. Make sure to include all the cells from the table, and then you can right click, click copy, and I'm going to paste that right here in my Google Docs document. Just press Ctrl and V, and there you go. Now this is definitely not perfect because you can see that there is something missing here, especially the top section of the table. The headers of the table is basically missing. It's actually not missing, but the border is just not visible. So I'm going to modify it a bit. Let's select all of them, and I'm going to click table options, and let's enable color right here. So right now the color is white, which is wrong. That's why we cannot see it. Let's change the color to black. Now apply the thickness to the border, and there you go. So the border has been added, and I think the table looks perfect. Now there is also another way to get this table to a different program. If you look closely, there is this tiny download button. You can click on it and it will basically download a CSV document of the table. And if you want to put it into a different program, or maybe it contains some data, then this is probably the best method for it. And yeah, that's basically it. Two methods that you can try to copy a table. One is by selecting all the cells, and secondly, you can get it by downloading the CSV file. I do not recommend copy the entire document by clicking on this button. This is possible, but it is only makes sense if you are pasting the content into a program that accept markdown format, because Perplexity spew out the AI content into a markdown format. So if you are sure that the program is supporting markdown format, then you can use this copy technique. But for everything else, I do recommend using the select, copy, and then paste method. But anyway, that's basically it. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.